Hi, everyone. Welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or recover your Binance password for your account. Watch the video till the end to recover or reset your Binance password. Firstly, open your Binance application. You will arrive on the home page of the Binance application. Click on the Login option, enter your email or phone number and click on Next. You can also log in with a Gmail account. To reset your Binance password, click on Forgot Password. On the next page, enter your email or phone number and click on Next. Select the image asked to click and then tap on Next. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the verification code and click on Next. Now, enter a new password for your Binance account. Confirm the password by re-entering it. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not, and then click on Next. This is how you can reset or recover your Binance account password quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.